Hello, children! This week, we're learning about the letter Q. Can you think of words that start with the letter Q? Good! You're right! Quilt, quarter. There are lots of words that start with the letter Q. What kind of sound do ducks make when they swim around? That's right, they quack. Our color of the week is gray. What kind of things can you think of that are the color gray? Elephants are gray. The moon is gray. This week, our number is the number 16. It's very easy to draw the number 16. And we are also going to write the word 16. See, that was pretty easy. Our shape is a decagon. It's called a decagon because it has 10 sides and 10 angles. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our sight words are to, so, and soon. Why don't you try to make some sentences including these words? Have fun and have a great week.